subscribers. If you can't see something wrong with 3/4 Jamaican people, then I guess all hope is lost. Hey, viewers, I'm not gonna spend a long time on the video, but I just speak my mind based on them incidents when I see like one from Wadia all over Jamaica. A full time now we start have sense and start make some smart decisions and start make people boots if you do stupid things. You can't see man with gun, soldier and police at work and them a try to arrest somebody or them a carry out them lawful duty and you to feel say you're above the law and you have to prevent them. Hello, no you get gunshot and nothing no come out tight. So I time to think and stop for like none of damn sense. I just the other day the same thing happened in one of the zones of special operation where them shoot a youth and kill him because of the same thing. And I guarantee you nothing now come out of it because them have all right to protect them lives if them come under attack. So you can't see if you see somebody get arrested and you feel like say, yo, them a get arrested unfairly. There are places to go to deal with that. So make them arrest them and carry them to the station. Right? And enough I wanna follow a friend and make people have boats and do stupid things. I want to get gunshot and alone feel the pain. The thing hot me rasta. I see a lot of persons that criticize the soldier them and I say them use excessive force. But what are the soldiers supposed to do? Remember, you know, them not trained to use pepper spray and button, you know. Them trained to use gun. So once them come under any form of threat, two options them have. Either them go shot in your cloth or them take the weapon and clap you. You get me I say? And a full time the government of Jamaica call an emergency press briefing or something because they need to inform the people them that they need to cooperate with members of the security forces when they carry out them operations. Look much people are dead. We think gonna happen. Soldier goes out in a place. All them need to do is cooperate. And based on the video I watched a while ago, right? Me not judge nobody, but me say based on what I see a while ago, I don't see why the persons had to make the thing escalate like that. Because the soldiers were not behaving in any way aggressive initially, right? So the persons need to cooperate and act like them have sense. People, me not say who wrong from who right, but me alone if to comment and tell me in the comment section. You get me? I say, me hear one thing about them clippings here. Could the situations could they have been handled better, or do you support the actions of the members of the security forces? Go on here, man.